Hi, this is Tony from A&R Boilers, and we're on another electric boiler repair. So today we're looking at an ACV boiler. So I'll just show you and we'll spin the camera around. So this is what we just repaired. Basically there was a pressure problem and it was a problem with the pressure switch, which we've now replaced. It's now up and working. So we're working today in the Chambers, Manchester M2. So if you've got this type of boiler and you need electric boiler repair, you know who to call. So that's it from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.